I thought I should record today's trading. Already opened two trades because when I opened the IQ option, I saw that it was hitting this supply level. So I took the liberty to open the trade. So uh, because this is a very good supply level over here. Okay, so price stayed over here for a very less of time, and also the move away from this was quite quick. The price moved away from this zone in a quite strong fashion. Also, I mean, it's a textbook supply level, and it about freshness. This was a supply level. Because of this I took the trade. So if you watch my previous video, I have told 4 rules of selection of supply levels. So if you mark the supply level out of 4, the time spent over here in this area lesser. 1, the price moved away from this zone in a quite strong fashion, so it got 2 out of 4. And now whether this level is fresh or not, there's no price action on the left, so it's 3 out of 4. Right, and price traveled at least 2 times of the distance from this, at least 2 times. So it was a 4 out of 4 supply level. All right, so that's why I was so confident that I'm gonna win this trade. And when I opened that, I didn't have my screen recorder on. Let's take one more trade, because this is a very good supply level, and I don't think so that it can cross it in after just touching 2 times. So that's the beauty of supply levels. I mean, the supply and demand phenomena, that uh, if you are confident enough, and if you find a level like this, 4 out of 4 level, then you can book profit from it like multiple times, right? So I should have like manually sold it. Anyway, it's okay. But the tricky thing about IK option is that even if you can still lose money, even if you're right, because the timing matters a lot, and experience also, it matters a lot. You gotta decide in 1 minute, right? So that's why it's a bit difficult. So right now, the next demand zone is over here, and this is also a 4 out of 4 demand zone. Check it out. It's somewhat fresh because there is no price action on the left. 1, the price is moved away from this zone in a very strong fashion. 2, the price spent a very little time over here in this zone. 3, all right, and it traveled at least 2 times the distance, way more than that. Okay, before returning to this level. So 4, so this demand zone also has a 4 out of 4. So it's just a matter of time till the price reaches here. So I will do some call options if it reaches there. So this video is a live demonstration of about the rules I described in the previous video, the odd enhancers, I would say. So I'm just waiting till it goes towards this demand zone. All right, this is the origin of the move, so let's wait till it goes there. Also, it's OTC, guys, so OTC sometimes messes up, right? In the meantime, let's visit some of the pairs. Oh, right. Oh, okay, so this was the supply level. All right, but it totally pierced through this level. Okay, so I guess it's all about overall points. I mean, if the demand level is not fresh, but it has the other 3 points, and it's behaving it's fulfilling those three points, uh, which I told uh, uh, a while ago, then that level can still work. All right, if it even if it doesn't have like any point of that, all right, or it has like 1 point out of 4, that level should be voided then, right? That level should be voided. So it looks, what I do is I at least take two, I mean 50% at least. uh, but normally I would like that at least the demand supply zone level should have 3 points out of 4. It should fulfill three criterias out of 4. So I go in binary trading. I mean it's tricky, but in forex, uh, it's awesome. All right, in forex you have like liberty, you have the time. Okay, so okay, this is a minor demand level because it has, I think, 2 points, because the time it spent over here in this level was it's not that much. The price moved 2 times away from this. It moved away in a strong fashion. Now it has 3 points, but it isn't a fresh level because over here the price is not moved in a strong fashion though, but from this area the prices have been moving pretty quickly before. It will take some time because there's quite amount of distance between these two levels. All right. It also has a very pretty good level with a little gap where this is a supply level. So the prices moved away from this level in a very, very strong fashion. I mean, wow. But it isn't fresh. It's a test of this level. Okay. It's a test of this level, and this level was pretty good level. Anyway, so it's not a fresh level. Prices spent a little time over here, so another point moved quite a distance, another point. So it's like 3 out of 4. It's just, I mean, supply and demand phenomena. It loves volatility. So normally I trade at the times when the market is like active, but like an ordered hammer or what. So for trading, all you gotta do is you gotta be very have a sound understanding of supply and demand and the candlesticks. I mean, candlesticks, they tell everything. So if you combine these two, supply and demand and the candlesticks, I mean, you can be an ace trader. You can win. You can increase your probability of winning to at least 90% if you have a good understanding of supply and demand plus candlesticks, candlestick patterns, the engulfings, the reversal candles. All right. I'm not that much against of people using indicators or all that, EMAs and all that. All right. It depends on you how you use them. If you're using them like everybody else, I mean, it you will face a very hard time trading, because the reason I don't use indicators much because I want to keep my trading strategy simple, okay, and simple and working, simple and practical, because the indicators, they normally tell you the story which has already happened or is happening. All right, they tell what they're supposed to tell, and through a little experience you can already see that what's happening. I mean, whether it's oversold, overbought, and all that. Okay, that's why I don't use them much. Slowly approaching towards this zone. from this candle the move was quite strong, so maybe it will face, I mean it will get a jump from it, but I will not take this trade because in 1 minute I don't think so that it will hold this area for 1 minute. Okay, it can reverse from any of the area from here. Okay, but the probability of moving from this area, reversing from this area, is pretty much. Okay, it's quite much. So making an inverted hammer at the exact supply level there. Right, I think I should take this trade. It's an inverted hammer at the supply level. I don't think so that it can pass this. There's no way. It will dump, I'm sure. Let's see this supply level. Alright, so this whole is a supply level. This is this line, and you can combine these two supply level. That's why the price was able to go that much above. I think I lost this, but I will take it because I got a rejection from here. I got the purchase time is over. That's right. So when you have supply levels above supply levels, that could pretty much increase the probability of your win. You can see the supply level, another supply level, right? So that can pretty much increase the probability of your win. I think that's it, ladies and gentlemen. Let's see whether it has. Alright, it will keep on hovering around this, but whenever it will go here, I will just take another trade. Okay, so I think I started with like $122 or what. Okay, lost a few trades, but quickly made afterwards because this is like the option, guys. Uh, and we are time limited. Okay, so look at that. Even this was a good supply level. Also, it made a good reversal, but it took some time. It took a couple of minutes uh, before reversing from this level, right? So that's why we lost a trade, but we quickly made money exactly after that. So the point is, your understanding about supply and demand, it should be like strong. Okay, it should be strong. You should have strong understanding of this concept. Your confidence matters a lot. Okay, if you're not confident enough, you will lose money, whether IQ option, whether any other trade. Okay, so just define some set of rules which work for you. Okay, and follow those rules like religion. Right, so that's it for today's trading session, guys. I hope it will be of value to you. So do let me know, and take care, everyone, and see you in my next session.